to your friends, but always ask an adult before you press send. You can watch fun shows or read a book, even talk to grandma with a single look. But if a stranger says hello, tell your grown-up right away, you know. Games and apps can make you smile. Just play them safe for a little while. Never share your name or where you stay. That's something private. Keep it that way. The internet is big and wide. Use it safely. Be your guide. Click with care and think things through, and it'll be a magic place for you.